Да. Ну вот сейчас ты отлично справляешься. Hi guys, my name is Arina and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. And I mainly do thrifting videos here, but today we're gonna do something completely different. It's gonna be kinda thrift flip video. So why go and buy the stuff that you actually want when you can make it out of the stuff you already have? So I have this kind of long jean jacket that I will put some photos here somewhere, and I want to turn it into kind of cropped, cool, modern jean jacket. I'll put photos of jean jackets that I like somewhere here. So let's get started. I have had this jacket for quite some time now, and I thrifted it in Russia. It's kind of a jean jacket, but kind of work. There are lots of things I like about it. I obviously like the color. I like the volume. I like that it's really large and wide. I just don't wear it very often now. Yesterday I tried it on and cuffed the lower edge like that, and then I thought that it's a look and I should have it this way now. So first of all, you want to head to a local craft and art shop where they carry tons of different stuff, including but not limited to brushes for calligraphy, all sorts and colors of acrylics and wrapping paper. Then find the corner with sewing and knitting supplies just to realize that they have a really strange selection of colors. Stare in disbelief and frustration. Then go to a really far away sewing supplies shop where they have literally everything and pick a color that perfectly matches your nail polish color. This one. Yeah, so grab it, pay for it and go home. Just to realize that the color you bought is very peachy and pink and your jacket is kinda beige and grayish, so it doesn't match at all. Okay, decide to deal with it later. Then lay your jacket flat on the table and try to draw a line to cut. You can use a special pen that dissolves in water or just use your eyes. It's perfect if your jacket doesn't have any pockets or lining along the line of the future cut, and mine doesn't, so thank God. Then cut. My scissors are not for fabric, so they can't cut 5 layers of jeans material, so that's fun. So if you stop now, your jacket will be really wide around your torso, and I don't want it. I want to make it a little bit cinched at the waist, so we need to make darts. Tucks, how you call it. Okay. I'm by no means a professional and I know how to do it properly, so I just try and tuck some pieces in, trying to achieve a nice shape. So try different options, try your piece on, then try again. So I decided to do 2 tucks in the back and pin them. You want your tucks to look like a really thin piece of cake that you get at a very fancy restaurant. Then try the jacket on and see if you like it. So I like this shape, especially in the back, but now I'm thinking of making 2 more darts in the front. So do 2 more pieces of cake and pin them in place. Then try it on again and it actually fits. I'm surprised. Remember the thread issue? So go back to the shop and buy not one but two new colors and then try to decide which one is better. Then proceed to sew your darts. I'm sure you know how to stitch, but if not, I'll show you a close-up video a little bit later. Okay, so the back darts are done. Cut the excess material and stitch the front darts. Be very clumsy and sip on some soda. And it's all done. Go and try it on. I can leave it like this, just make it a little bit more distressed, but I think it won't look good because it's not jean, it's like cotton, so it isn't as thick as it should be. The second option is just to roll it like this and just stitch to make this kind of edge. And the third option is, I'm sorry for my mess, to take the lower part that we cut off and take this thing and stitch it, adjust its length and put it here. So I think I'll go with this option. It's much more time consuming, but I think it will look better in the end. So wish me luck. Then measure your jacket and adjust the strip to its length. You wanna cut it in the middle, not at the ends, because the ends are closed, so you better keep them closed and just cut in the middle. Use your scissors as a tool for measuring, cause it's cool and badass and very professional. Then pin the strip of fabric to the edge of the jacket. Find the thimble and put it on, cause it's beautiful. Take a little break and grab some falafel, cause you haven't eaten yet. Then go and stitch the pin strip, like this. Then pierce your finger, cause piercing is for cool kids. You can also break a needle. Then put the button and stitch it in place. So I guess that's all, and maybe let me share some of my overall thoughts about this. To be honest, I'm actually really happy with how it turned out, cause usually I'm a little bit lazy and everything that I craft ends up a little bit unfinished and messy and not professionally looking, but this jacket looks kind of like it was born like that, and I think it's decent looking, so I'm a bit surprised but also proud with myself, but also extremely happy. So if you like this video, smash the like button and let me know in the comments if you have ever tried to crop a jean jacket without sewing machine, and what thrift flips have you ever done, if any. And yes, thank you for watching this video. Hope to see you later. Bye.